Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Once Human. If you are looking for a way to add friends in Once Human, then follow through the steps since the process is quite easy. Launch open your Once Human game on your device and make sure you are inside the game. Once you are in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the pop-up that appears on the screen, click on Friend. Once you're inside the Friends tab, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and type in the name of your friend you want to add. Search for it, and in the search result, once you find the player, click on the plus button right next to their name. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send a friend request to the person. Repeat this step to send friend request to other players as well. In the search result, tap the plus button to send them the request, and once they accept your friend request, they'll appear in your friend list. Now from your friend list, go ahead and find the person or your friend, and you can easily chat with them, invite them to matches, or play together. That is how you can easily add friends in Once Human. This enhances your gameplay experience and makes teaming up more fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.